Hello guys, this is Chasha Misoles. Andito tayo ngayon sa ating model unit for studio type. This is 22.32 square meter. This is located sa Boni Mandaluyong, Pioneer Woodlands. Very accessible going to MRT Boni Station. Look how spacious it is, guys. Napakaganda. So guys, if you are interested, this is only 17,500 and 300,000 down payment to move in. Meron ka ng gantong unit. Pwede mo itong ipa-Airbnb, long term, or staycation. And also family use. So guys, if you are interested, let me help and guide you. See you soon.